Hello, everyone, and welcome to Tina Sewing Class. I love nothing more than to introduce you to the wonderful, exciting, fun world of sewing. Wow, it is so wonderful when you can wear a garment that you sew, when you see your friends wearing garments that you sew. You can do sewing as a business. You can do sewing just for your kids. When you go to the store, you see that wonderful dress that you want, but it's a little too big, and you can go and you can adjust that to fit your size. That is awesome. And you can decorate your home like you never did before, making accent pillows, window curtains, draperies. You can do reupholster your furniture. Wow, it is fun and exciting. And also, you can teach the little ones. So, our videos are geared for the super beginners as well as intermediate and professional sewers. Sewers who you just want to learn to sew, you haven't sewn before in your entire life. We're going to start from the very basic, just learning about sewing, and you will learn to sew everything: blouse, skirt, dress, pattern making. If you want to make sewing into a business, you're at the right place. This is where you're going to learn it all for free. Nothing. The only thing you're going to be paying for is your supplies, because you will need to buy what you need to sew with. It's I'm so excited, guys. I hope you're excited too. It's going to be a journey, but it's going to be a rewarding one. A journey that you can actually teach someone else and your children. So, if you've never picked up a needle before in your life, here we go. All right. So, I'm going to be doing classes twice per week. So, I'll put the videos up. I think it's going to be Tuesdays and probably Thursdays. But you must subscribe, so you will have the videos as soon as they come in, and you can follow from class 1, class 2. I think I'm going to be doing like lesson 1, lesson 2, and so on. So you'll have the videos. You go at your own pace. So it's not a rush. It's learning. You will make mistake, but that's okay. We all do. You're going to have to probably open a couple seams here and there. But the thing is, I'm starting from the very basic, guys, where I'll show you. With my easy sewing projects, I'll take you step by step, slow and steady, to build a strong foundation that will last a lifetime. Hi guys, so we're going to be starting with the basic hand sewing, and you're going to need a square of plastic canvas. So get this for our next video. You're gonna need um, yarn, and it can be this type or it can be the bigger ones. I'd say get this one probably, or a couple of these. These are less expensive and they work quite as well. And you're also gonna need a blunt needle, where here, if you have little children that you're guiding through these videos, these needles are perfect because they won't hurt you. You have to watch the little ones as well, but they're blunt. I can hit my finger in here and I don't have to go ouch. It's not going to hurt me. So this is the type of needle you need, a blunt needle. It has the hide that you can put the yarn through, but it's blunt, won't hurt you. So these 3 things, get them ready for our next video. All right, happy sewing. Catch you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see when the video is out. And remember, we're taking you through the whole sewing process. Most sewing classes going to be running you $2,500 and more. Here you're going to get the complete sewing experience. Won't cost you anything but your time. And comment below. Be very active in participating in what we're doing by commenting and so on. Ask as many questions as you want. I'm here to answer all your questions, and we'll just have fun as we learn through the process. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and share so we can get as many people who are interested in learning from basic how to thread a needle, how to knot the thread on the needle, how to make your patterns, how to sew by hand, how to darn, how to stitch, how to alter your clothes. You never have to go to the alteration shop again. And you know what's really cool is you walk into a fabric store and you see a lovely piece of fabric. Now you can do something with that.